Good day, students. Today we are still looking at fraction. In our previous lessons, we treated addition of fraction. We talked about what is fraction, then the up part of the fraction is called the numerator, the down is called the denominator, and we explained some few things. So you have to go back to the previous video for revision. Today we are looking at subtraction of fraction. They want 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5. It is very simple. As long as the down is the same, just make it 1. As long as the down is the same, take it as 1. That's 5. Then 2 minus 1. Put it there. 2 minus 1. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So that will give us 1 divided by 5. And that's the end. Number 2, the down is the same, which is the denominator. Make it 1. That's 7. Then bring your numerator, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. That will give us 2 divided by 7. And that's all. The denominator is the same, 9. So make it 1. 9. Then we have 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. And that will give us 3 divided by 9. And that's all. So we've come to the end of today's class. I'll put up your assignment for you to do. Please ensure you do your assignment. Submit to your school or to somebody elderly at home. Thanks for viewing.